Ernest Nkabinde, ngithanda ukuthi happy birthday to you Mr. Ngobe mphathi wethu. Ngithi khula ungagogobi. Thank you so much for all this years uNkulunkulu akubusise ngayo. Ngithi phinza ukhule ukhulisise.
Hi Mphathi Sandile Ngobe. I just want to shout out to you and say happy birthday. I want you to know that we love you so much. We honor you, we celebrate you. Umuntu akakhona icabanga ngaSandile angacabanga ngehumility yakho, angacabanga ngecompassion yakho, angacabanga ngelithando lakho. Mayo nelithando Sandile. Unenhlitiyo lenhle, uyanaka, unesineke, we appreciate you njengami nje ungibona ngimela Sandile sengifuna magodi kanzini na. Happy birthday fan.
Happy birthday malume. Ngithanda nje kubonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu ukuthi asiphe wena, like we are so proud of you. As mina nje ngiyajabula kakhulu ukuba namalume lofana nawe. I'm very lucky because udlala inzima lenkulu empilweni yami, ube ngibabe kimi, ungethele like angathi nokuthi ngingacalapi, but nje ngithanda kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu angathi angakubusisa kungedelele eminye iminyaka leminenge ngidlula lelo nayo manje.
Mr. Ngobe, my brother, my friend of many years, I want to wish you a happy and a pleasant birthday. May you live long, may your pockets never run dry. I have seen you moving in places where others denied or did not want to move. Kubonile ndoda uwuvuka langa lishisa imvula inetha. But one thing I've seen in you over the many years is your determination, your commitment, and being true to the cause. Please enjoy your day, my brother. May you live long. We'd like to see you or hear about you in many decades to come.
Sandile Ngobe, happy birthday bude ube nelanga lelimkahle lelimnandi lelithe ne ukhule kahle the way you humble ngakhona uqhubeke kanjalo butami. Thanks a lot.
Hawu Sandile Ngobe, happy birthday mntanami. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ukhulile Ngobe. Kukhula kwakho kukhule nakimi. Tindolo tendile mntanami tibe tinhle kakhulu empilweni yami. Wenele kukhula kwakhula nelikhaya lakini, kwakhula konke endzaweni yasekini nasemndenini. Inkosi ikubusise mfana wami uqhubeke uphakamele phambili.
I'd like to send a graceful and a glorious birthday wishes to my friend, Mr. Ngobe. My friend, can the grace of God just lift you high as you have already lifted us all high. As a friend who have started this journey with you, I'm just saying, awukhule mngani wami, and let the stars just shine on you.
Ngobe mnganami, mfana kithi, happy birthday. It's me, your friend Zakhele. I know you hardly ever celebrate these kind of occasions, but I want to say, mnganami, you've worked so hard. Give yourself time out. Go and celebrate this day. I wish you all the best. You've been a wonderful friend to me, and I really appreciate having you as a brother, as a friend in my life. I met you a couple of years ago, and ever since we started this journey, it's been a smooth sailing journey. You've been holding my hand, I've been holding your hand, and for that I want to say from the bottom of my heart, I wish you everything of the best in life. Beyond where you are, I know you are still growing and you are going to grow even further and further and further. From the bottom of my heart, I wish you a beautiful birthday, all the best and everything of the best.
I want to wish you a happy birthday. It's a big day. This is the day that the Lord has made. I expect you to rejoice on this day. I expect you to celebrate, to enjoy it. You work hard over the years, over the past 364 days. You've worked very hard, and today it's a new day. Enjoy it. I wish you the best.
Oh, hi, Mphathi. I hope you are good. We have got Atlanta namuhla. We thought of you. So I compiled a few of your friends and family ukuthi bagendele nayo i-video yakho ye-birthday because we noticed ukuthi i-birthday I will celebrate. So kulomnyaka we just wanted to make it special for the person that you are, the heart that you have. Siyabonga kakhulu. Most of us, myself personally, I wouldn't be where I am if angizange ngahlangana nawo, or if you had not given me the platform leya kakho. Each year I keep on growing and experiencing more things because of you. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. I think Umngoma, it's the one event that challenges me to be better. So ngiyabonga kakhulu for the heart that you have, for giving me the chance and the opportunity to grow with you. Even though sometimes kuba naloko naloko, but I really appreciate you and I love your heart so much. May God bless you. May He enlarge your territory. May He make sure whatever that you do turns into gold. I pray for protection. May He protect you. May He protect you and may He protect you and may He provide for you even more than what you have right now. We are praying for you. We are praying for you. In our own secret places, we are praying for you. So siyabonga kakhulu for loving and loving us. So thank you so much as Umngoma office. Siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you. God bless.